Hello, this video will show you how to download and install RSETPy, our remote sensing application. Um, Prior to installing RSETPy, you should have already watched the videos on installing Python and the third-party Python packages, as well as the MySQL server version 5.5 on your Windows machine, and all of that should have been taken care of. So when RSETPy is installed, it'll work. To download the latest version of RSETPy, I'm going to open my web browser, and then I'm going to go to https://launchpad/RSETPy and press enter. This is the project page for the remote sensing project. It's a code hosting site as well, and we're able to host the installer files. And over on the right, under the downloads, the latest version of the installer, as you can see, it's RSETPy 1.0.2 MSI as of the recording of this video. So I'm going to click on that, and it should begin downloading. If the browser asks you if you want to keep or discard it, keep it. And since my browser downloaded it to my downloads directory under my home directory, under my home folder, I'm going to go to the downloads folder, and there it is. So I'm going to double click to begin the installation. Press run in the security warning. Press next. I'm keeping the default location, the default installation location, so I'm going to click next. And then install. And if the computer asks you, if Windows asks you for administrator access, grant it. Okay, the installation is finished, so to exit the installer, I'm going to click the Finish button. Okay, so now I want to just double check that everything has been installed correctly. So I'm going to go to my, I'm going to go to the computer, and then to my C drive, and then to Program Files x86. Excuse me. Then there should be an NMSU folder, and then an RSETPy folder. Now there are several folders in there. I'm going to go to RSET Process under SRC, and I see the main module RSET Process that does the downloading, database indexing, and algorithm calculations. So that module does all that. So it looks like RSETPy has been properly installed. One more thing, I'm going to check my task scheduler. So in the search box in my start menu, I'm going to type task. It's the first thing that pops up in the search, so I'm just going to press enter. And a task should be installed to run at 8 p.m. every night, to make RSETPy run every night. So I'm going to click the task scheduler library, and there's the task. So RSETPy, it's ready, it's going to run at 8 p.m. It's never ran, it's going to run tonight. So I'm going to double click that. And right now it looks like it'll only run if the user is logged in. In certain situations, it would be advantageous to change it to run whether the user is logged in or not. That way, if the computer is up and nobody's logged in, it'll still run. And you know, that's probably a good thing to do. I'm going to do it for this tutorial. So I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to enter my password and be done with it. And that concludes downloading and installing the latest version of RSETPy. Thank you.